If you're thinking about listing your home or purchasing one in or around the Jacksonville area, there are a few important things you should know.
Right now is a great time to buy real estate if you're in the market as opposed to a few months ago. The rates have come down by about 0.25%, which helps buyers with their affordability and their payment. More importantly, the increased number of homes on the market creates greater competition for sellers. Right now in Northeast Florida, the most popular homes for purchase are anything between $400,000 and $800,000.
Premier Homes Realty is dedicated to helping you find the perfect home while providing a personalized experience every step of the way.
After several experiences of having to see buyers and sellers turned down because of our inability to adjust with the market, we opened Premier Homes Realty. We truly believe if we take care of our customers, the dollars will take care of themselves.
In 2005, when I first started, I could put a sign in the yard and I'd have 10 people lined up to buy it. So I was really thrown into this crazy real estate world, but then the market crashed. And so I had to learn how to do short sale process and foreclosure process. So I became an expert in that. And then as that transitioned back into the normal real estate world, I was able to catch right back on and been very successful ever since. The number one thing for my clients is they feel comfortable and confident that I'm going to help facilitate what they want and come to a perfect close.
We specialize in residential real estate and property management. We manage about 75 properties for various investors. The current real estate market is performing very well. We just closed the first quarter of 2025, and my wife, she has over 14 million closed or under contract this year already.
With expert guidance, local market knowledge, and a commitment to exceptional service, Premier Homes Realty makes your real estate journey as seamless and rewarding as possible.
Because we're family owned and operated, we're able to provide something special for each one of our sellers and buyers. It's not just me helping them, but it's an actual team.
Some challenges buyers are having are there's still some high interest rates and it's hard to find homes that fit their needs. Sellers in this market are wanting prices from last year, but this is a very different market, so they're experiencing challenges in that way. For buyers, we are looking for creative financing options. We want to help them get the best deal possible and making sure it's within their affordability. For sellers, we bring data-based marketing strategies and pricing strategies for them. We put a high emphasis on social media marketing, automated home search, and online signing. I think it's easy to get caught up in the aesthetics of a home, but I think it's very important to pay attention to the location, make sure the neighborhood fits your lifestyle, make sure the school systems fit your lifestyle.
What helps our buyers accomplish what they need to accomplish is to get their best deal, not just in the interest rate, but in their payment, in any closing cost assistance that may be available, and then what we can contribute on top of that. Real estate commissions have always been negotiable. Many buyers have now found that they have to sign a representation agreement with their agent. As an independent, I'll adjust the buyer-broker agreement so that my buyer is taken care of and they're not adversely impacted because of it. Helping buyers find the home that meets their needs and budget is always an interesting dynamic. Just because the lender says, the mathematical formula says you can afford a $3,000 a month house payment doesn't mean you can. Let's really do you a service and help you refine your budget, get it right.
My husband and I have been involved in executive relocation for many years, and in this instance, it was an especially good experience for us because the after the sale was so unique in terms of settling and getting adjusted and really feeling connected to our new home and our environments that was exceptional and something we had never experienced in our previous 11 relocations.
If you've got a realtor that you like and you trust, stay with them. If you don't, give us a call. You'll be happy with the sale or you'll be happy with your purchase and you'll be happy with us.
Ready to make your next move with Premier Homes Realty? Visit their website, phrfl.net, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.